I'm cooked.
Better go get a fresh cut. Yes, sir. I told my barber an inch off the top, please. What the fuck?
Guys, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look so good.
Hold up. That boy, hey, you right.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, you right. You right. Baby, you right. You wrong. You real fucking wrong.
That's still gonna be $30.
Huh? $30? $30?
Texture fringe with a fade on the side might look good.
You ready for this transformation, bro?
Let's get it.